Hi guys, this is I Wish in the USA Tuesday and with my husband. So now we will just show how to use this massage. This is not a gun, this is massage. See? Massager. You need to open, there's a on and off here. You need to on like that. And there's a number speed if you want to go 1 till 6 speed over there, and the battery is 99%. Okay, so we will try now to my husband how to use it, and we have different what do you call this?
Tips.
Huh?
There's different tips
There are different tips. This is
to be put onto the tip
deep
of it.
tissue massage gun. That's right. Looks like gun. This is what we call deep tissue massage gun. Okay. So we have here, this style is good for the large muscle, such as neck and thigh of spinal arm. So this is for good of that. The big one. What I mean is the big one. Good for massaging large muscle groups such as neck and thigh or spinal arm. And the smaller one is suitable for massaging large muscles such as the spine and thigh. It's just almost the same. And this one is good for the neck and how you pronounce that? Achilles tendon. Where is that?
On your foot.
Oh, over here, just like here.
Yeah.
This is good for the Achilles tendon and neck. Neck, this one.
No, you're crazy.
Neck.
The back.
Where's the neck? Over here. And this one, small flat head, suitable for the relaxation and shaping of various muscle parts. So where is that, loves?
Various muscle parts. Various meaning many different.
Oh, different muscles anywhere. And this one, a head, this is what we call a head, suitable for various muscle parts such as meridian joint, palm, and foot base, etc. So here, over here, right, loves? And last one is, this is the head. We call this the head, suitable for the relaxation and shaping of various muscle parts. Almost the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so which one do you want, loves? The 60 mm globosity head or the 50 mm globosity head?
The big one.
The big one. This is what we call Y head. Small flat head. A head. D head. So now we will try to my husband. This is not the first time that we use this, but I want to show to the people what the reaction of my husband, because it makes me feel so happy every time I massage him. So I'll just show you the reactions. It feels like torturing to him. So this is, he wants this for his back. We massage his back.
Give me the big one.
You want the big one? The 60 mm? Okay, he wants the 60 mm. So here we go. Here we go, guys. We will massage my husband to show his reaction. If it's good or not. Look at it.
Tell her to stay away from the bottom of my feet.
which is I love it. Five speed. We will start here at his back. Relax, boss. So while doing massage, just relax, loves. Mega love shout out to all viewers again over there, especially to our super chatters. Latest super chatters is Jenny Ann Knox and Jen GM. Who else? Yolanda. Oh, I forgot my super chatters. The other one, the latest. Yolanda Loyola. Ella Bella. Ang aking sister, ang aking kapatid sa London, Ella Bella. Ang pinakamagandang nurse sa London, Ella Bella. And also, Divine Flower. Ang ating kababayan. Very generous, Divine Flower. Mega love shout out to your sister. And also, don't forget to be friend of my mentor, Jamcat, of course. Jamcat. Paul and G Vlogs, ang aking kabsat. J0831 Torres, kapatid natin from Russia. And also Mother Eva, Mother Dear Eva, ang mga super chatters, and ang aking kabsat na dungdung like unay-unay, Diwata Aginaya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. So open pa po yung mga super chatters po natin dyan. Kung gusto nyo rin po maging super chatters. The good thing is talagang nilalaro ko lahat. Mga videos nila. So, kumusta na ang aking hubby? How are you, loves?
Okay, babe.
How do you feel? Huh?
Okay.
How's my model?
Good.
Good. Feel relaxed?
No.
So,
Because you're working your way too close to my feet.
loves, can you please move the backs, the color black? Put it over there. So here we go in my favorite part. So we will see. We just try to see what my husband reaction on mine. Wow, he's trying to control. He's trying to control, which is he almost kicked me every night. Now he just show off. Come on, loves, show the real you. Come on, love, show the real you. You almost kick me every night. Come on, love. Be true to yourself.
No.
So go back to this area. So you relax. Did you hear that? That is what? I swallow it. You're so bad. What is that in Tagalog? Say it.
Utot.
Oto. And I swallow it. You're so bastos. Is that my pay? Huh?
Yeah, that's payback.
Payback? You're so bad to your wife, huh?
I can't help it. It's coming out.
What is that, no? Every time that you make before you fire hole? You said fire hole?
Yeah, fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Meaning, it's dead.
It better not be. It should be charged.
It's already dead, oh, 0-0.
No.
And also this massage gun is chargeable. There's a charger. You want to try in your neck? No. So we will change it. Huh?
Yeah.
Where was it? This one, right, loves?
Why, right?
For your neck. Is it good? Is this neck? How is it? You feel something good?
No.
Nothing? Nothing special?
It's a lot deeper.
You want me to dip?
No, it's a lot deeper. The tip is it's pushing in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's dangerous?
Hard. No. It's what I want. All right.
Aside the neck, loves. What is the over there? Here,
fine.
right? Here. What do you call Achilles? What do you
That
call
hurt, babe.
it? It hurts?
Yeah, that hurt.
Why?
Go.
Why it hurts?
Because it does.
Wait, I need to blow down. It hurts? Is it? It hurts?
What is it on now? 1?
2.
I don't feel too bad, but what'd you have it on before? You're not supposed to put it there. That's not what that's for, babe.
Here you go. Got it.
Babe.
Payback, loves.
Oh, really?
This is your payback.
Payback for what?
Here.
Oh, really? That's it. Okay. No problem. I got you. I got you. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, you're winner. You ruined my video. That's how to edit that now. They know that now you're not utote. You're so bad. Thank you for watching. This is I Version USA Tito Tattoo Day. What?
What? Nothing.
You said
No.
Oh,
I said Tito Tattoo Day.
you said something bad
No,
to
I
my
did not.
You shouldn't.
Huh?
And then you said instead of Tita Kati.
No, I didn't want Tita Kathy. I said Tito Tattoo Day. Tattoo Day.
You're bad,
What?
Tita. My name is Tito Tattoo Day,
Okay.
NYT. Not
Okay.
T.